how to change your email address or your Gmail on Google Play Store. If you want to change your Gmail account on Play Store, it's a very quick and easy process. You just have to follow along. Alright, let's get started. First, tap on your icon at the top right. And if you have multiple accounts on your phone, you can just tap on the drop down menu right here. And from there you can choose your account. But if you want to manually type in your email and change it, what you can do is go to settings, tap on general, and tap on account and device preferences. And from here you can tap on change contact email. You can tap here and edit your email if you have a valid email. For example, if I just add 00 here and save it, the verification email will be sent to this email right here, and you can verify it from your email inbox, and you can use this email as your Google Play Store's account. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.